The Amazon Basics electric glass and steel hot tea water kettle is a remarkable product that provides convenience and efficiency for all tea lovers. With over 10 years of experience in the product marketing industry, I can confidently say that this kettle is a must-have addition to any kitchen. One of the standout features of this kettle is its sleek design. With a combination of black and silver colors, it adds a touch of elegance to any countertop or dining table. The glass and steel finish is not only visually appealing but also durable, ensuring long-lasting use. The automatic shut-off feature is another valuable aspect of this kettle. It provides peace of mind by automatically turning off the kettle once the water reaches boiling point. This not only saves energy but also prevents any accidents or mishaps. The kettle is equipped with advanced technology to ensure optimal safety and performance. In terms of functionality, the Amazon Basics electric glass and steel hot tea water kettle.
If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.